Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the BIOSTAR's custom Radeon RX 6950 XT, 6750 XT, 6650 XT graphics card. So friends, BIOSTAR announced the custom AMD Radeon RX 6000 series graphics card, and friend, is designed to empower the DIY market. BIOSTAR launched two brand new gaming graphics cards, the new BIOSTAR Radeon RX 6650 XT and Radeon RX 6750 XT graphics card are designed to fulfill the high demands of the mileage graphics card market, delivering superior performance and long-term durability at jaw-dropping price points. And when it built on the high performance and energy efficient AMD Radeon 2 architecture, the BIOSTAR Radeon RX 6000 series graphics card offers high-end performance in a budget-friendly package. And friend, the new graphics card leverages the breakthrough AMD Radeon 2 gaming architecture, include process optimization and software and firmware enhancement, offer high bandwidth, low latency AMD Infinity Cache memory technology, and ultra-fast 18GB DDR6 memory. And friend, they also support Microsoft Windows 11 and Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, the forthcoming AMD FSR 2.0 and AMD Radeon Super Resolution upscaling technology, as well as other advanced features that provide visually stunning, high refresh rate gaming experience. And the BIOSTAR Radeon RX 6650 XT and Radeon RX 6750 XT graphics card offers 12GB of 8GB of GDDR6 memory respectively, enabling a wider choice for gamers and content creators. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.